Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Within a week, Whale Alert can turn $100 into $250,000 in Shiba Inu coins. Despite Shiba Inu's generally bearish price movement, the burn rate increased significantly in March compared to February. According to a study in Bitcoin, one of the factors influencing this tendency is the Coil project, which was developed on Shibarium but is currently virtually unheard of. The only thing that is currently known about the project is that it will be constructed of Shibarium. The goal of this decentralized finance project is to offer customers a platform via which they may access DeFi services including lending, borrowing, and staking. We will discuss how Whale Alert turned $100 into $250,000 in Shiba Inu coins in a week in this video. Shib News right now. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. The Coil token, which is used as a form of payment on the network, is its native cryptocurrency. Additionally, the Coil project is getting notice, particularly for its Shibburns. The initiative had burned a staggering 4631,000,000,000 Shiba Inu tokens as of Monday, which is almost $50,000. Coil isn't done there either. Coil burned an additional 733.2 million Shib on Tuesday. The dead wallet of Shiba Inu received the tokens. This indicates that Coil was again in charge of the majority of yesterday's Shibburn. According to Shibburn, more than 758.95 million Shiba Inu were destroyed in the previous day as opposed to merely 25 million by other organizations. Coil's address still has 3,011.98 billion Shib, or around $3.4 million, according to others can. With this, Coil could make a substantial contribution to the resurgence of Shib burns. Cantano, the creator of Coil, hinted at this today via Twitter. He suggested Coil could burn Shib with 50% of its earnings. Through community-led burn operations, just 352.21 million Shib were burned in 128 different transactions in February. This constituted a considerable drop from January, the prior month. Prior to February, 223 trades cost about $1.12 billion. The burn statistics appeared significantly better. 2.72 billion Shib were burned in 349 transactions in December 2022, 1.922, 000,000,000 in 381 transactions in November, and 9.5 billion in 2433 transactions in October. Shib is currently facing a crucial period in the one-day chart. Since the beginning of February, the price has been attempting to exit the downward channel. To exit bearish territory, the next stage is to break the 200-day exponential moving average, or EMA, which is slightly above it. A daily closing above the 200-day EMA, which is now at $0.1173, would signal the start of a medium-term uptrend for Shib. Due to market volatility and the many variables that might affect a cryptocurrency's price, it is difficult to predict its future price. However, forecasts about the Shib's price in 2023 are possible based on current trends and market research. By the end of 2023, the Shib's price is anticipated to rise to $95 according to Wallet Investor. This forecast implies that both Shib's adoption rate and the cryptocurrency market will continue to rise. Yet another pricing forecast from Coin by the end of 2023, the Shib's price may have reached $0.1560, according to the price estimate. This forecast is supported on a technical examination of market trends and price changes for the Shib. It's crucial to keep in mind that while these forecasts offer some insight into anticipated price changes on the cryptocurrency market, they cannot be relied upon. Because of its extreme volatility, the Shib's price can change significantly in the future. National Puppy Day this year falls on the same day as a spike in Shiba Inu-related social media activity. Shiba Inu was recently mentioned by Binance US in honor of this year's National Puppy Day, which falls on March 23rd. The illusion was an attempt by the exchange to pay homage to the canine-themed digital asset, which has so far gained popularity thanks to its promise and the community's unwavering efforts. To commemorate National Puppy Day, the official Twitter account of Binance US posted images of some of the team's furry pets. The account also tweeted a picture of a puppy with the handle Masha wearing jean attire with the Shiba Inu and Binance logos stitched on it, as well as other crypto-related companies. The United States annually observes National Puppy Day to honor puppies and promote adoption from animal shelters. Every year on March 23rd it occurs. Colleen Page of the Cryptos team, an expert in pet living and animal psychology, founded the day in 2006. National Puppy Day was created to recognize the advent of canine-themed digital currencies like Shiba Inu, which began as parodies and swiftly ascended to become some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. Shiba Inu was introduced in August 2020 by the fictitious Ryoshi, who is seen as either an individual or a collection of individuals, via a sense of community and inclusion. The asset quickly rose to prominence and earned recognition on a global scale, surpassing other famous digital assets to rank as the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market valuation. As the excitement surrounding the Shibarium network continues to grow, this year's event falls in line with an increase in social activities for Shiba Inu. The SHIB's social activity just reached a 3-month high of 47.88, according to Lunar Crush. Since the release of the Shibarium beta, the community has pushed for network documentation. The documentation has been finished by developers, but the information is still being reviewed to make sure everything is accurate, according to yesterday's announcement from the Shibarium Group admin. Shiba Launcher delivers groundbreaking technology to transform participation in the initial Shibarium network token sales and promote the ecosystem's expansion. On the Shibarium blockchain, the creative Ito Launchpad will introduce its groundbreaking technologies. By guaranteeing that investors take part in only reliable Ito launches and assisting Shiba Inu project developers in raising money in a decentralized and safe manner, this platform aims to redefine early-stage token sales standards. In addition to creating a stir in the DeFi market, Shiba Launcher Shila, the well-liked community-run Ito Launchpad, is establishing itself as an early leader on the Shibarium network. Shiba Launcher seeks to establish itself as a leading DeFi platform by putting a priority on openness, accessibility, and community involvement as it prepares to launch its decentralized Ito Launchpad platform. Shiba Launcher lead developer Hiro Kijo stated, "We are excited to continue working on our project and exploring new ways to make participation in early-stage token sales on the Shibarium network more accessible and secure for everyone. We believe that the Shiba Launcher ecosystem has the potential to transform the DeFi space." The pre-sale for Shiba Launcher's utility and governance tokens has begun. With a minimum of 10 million shares, Shila and investors can participate in the Shiba token pre-sale and acquire ownership of the Shiba Launcher ecosystem. Shiba Launcher's potential for passive income through staking and other methods has native token investors excited as the project has swiftly amassed a devoted fanbase. Shiba Launcher is poised to become a major participant in the DeFi sector, which is expanding quickly. Shiba Launcher offers a variety of advantages to creators who want to launch their companies on the Shibarium network as well as holders of its native token, Shila. These features include the establishment of bridge protocol tokens, a guaranteed allocation for Shila holders to take part in reputable IDOs on Shibarium farming pools, and staking involvement in governance for Shila token owners. By making it simple for people to make their ideas into reality and launch their ventures, Shiba Launcher seeks to strengthen the digital economy inside the Shibarium ecosystem. Shiba Inu saw an enormous whale transfer. Over 25 trillion SHIB tokens, worth approximately $263 million, have left the prominent cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com for an unidentified wallet with several transactions since the introduction of the Shibarium beta. Additionally, the transaction has not yet received much attention, which leaves the SHIB army bewildered. A mountain of SHIB were deposited into a self-custody wallet by an unidentified Ethereum address over the course of 6 transactions, according to the blockchain tracking and analytics company Whale Alert. On March 20th, between 9:06 and 9:38 UTC, which changes slightly between each transfer, the greatest whale transaction took place. The value of the relocated meme tokens was roughly $263 million at the time of writing. All transferred Shiba Inu tokens, however, are now kept at a different address. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.